Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. So if your laptop or desktop runs on Windows 11 and I want to adjust or change screen brightness level, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11, all you need to do is click on the Start button, select Settings. On the Settings page, click on System, then locate and click on Display. Once you click on Display, you see Brightness. Change brightness for the built-in display. Then use this slider to adjust your screen brightness on your Windows 11. So that's one of the ways you can change or adjust screen brightness on Windows 11. Alternatively, you can also change screen brightness on Windows 11 by clicking on this Internet Access icon to open this menu. On the menu, you should see the screen brightness here. They can also use this slider to adjust or change screen brightness on your Windows 11. And once you are done, just click outside and then you should see the screen brightness adjusted. So even if you restart your Windows computer, the screen brightness will not change. So that's basically how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.